Lot number 136 is a 2000 International 4700 with a T44E diesel engine. The engine sounds good. Been running for over 45 minutes. It revs up well. I'm going to show you up close what I see. Listen. I'm going to rev it up for you in a second. A little bit of blow-by smoke. See that? Not much. It has only 63,000. Let me see how many miles it has. It has low miles, I know that. It's got 68,903 miles. All right, let me show you the rest of the truck before I show you the interior. Let me close the hood. As you can see, the hood has a few cracks. It's cracked right there. Cracked right over here. The bumper is slightly out of alignment and it has surface rust on it. Also, this corner turn lamp is cracked. The paint is peeling. The numbers have been sprayed over. The decals have been sprayed over with a white paint with a spray can. The tires look good. The rims are good. A little surface rust, but that's nothing. The tires have been tread. Here you got the little ladders on each side. And you got the road gear. Back of the cab aluminum plate. That's to hang up your wires and cables and all that. All right. The tires look good. The mud flaps are in place. This tail lamp on the right is cracked. The housing. Differential looks good. The fifth wheel appears to be there. Everything in place. The chassis is solid. The exhaust looks good. This truck, the batteries are dead. We jump started it. Started right up. Right there. Let me show you the inside. The seat seems to have been reupholstered. It looks really good. The headliner's in good shape. The door panels look good. The steering wheel is missing the horn. The center horn piece, but the steering wheel is in good condition. It's not brittle. The dash is good. The floor covering is good. The pedals are good. Let me rev it up for you so you can hear it. Let me turn off the AC. The AC is not blowing cold. All right, so listen to this engine. Revs up pretty quick. Idle's nice. I'm going to put it in gear. There we go. It engaged in reverse. And now in drive. Yep. Alrighty. It has a horn. An air horn. It works. And that's pretty much it. Look at the pictures. Look at the video. Good luck.